In this video, I'll show you how to quickly cancel your Calendly free trial before it auto-renews, saving you from unexpected charges. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. To start, head over to the Calendly homepage and log into your account. Once inside, take a look at the left-hand menu and find the Upgrade Plan button, usually in the top corner. Clicking it will take you to your subscription details page. If you're currently on a free trial or paid plan, you will see the option to manage your subscription. Here, Calendly gives you the choice to downgrade, switch plans, or fully cancel. Simply select Cancel and follow the on-screen instructions. The process is designed to be user-friendly, but make sure you confirm your choice, as most platforms require verification before completing the cancellation. It's always a smart move to cancel before the end of your billing cycle to avoid unexpected renewals. Calendly usually sends reminders, but setting your own reminder can help you stay on top of it. Once you confirm the cancellation, keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. Termly, it's your proof that everything went through successfully. And that's it. Cancelling your Calendly free trial only takes a few clicks, and now you're back in control of your account. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, drop a like and hit subscribe for more simple 2025 tutorials.